Hey guys! Welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. Today I'm going to test OTC signals for Pocket Option. Stay till the end, you'll see exactly how accurate vfxAlert really is. Okay, let's go. I open the filter, choose 1-minute Forex OTC signals, and yes, I'm testing only on a demo account. Always start testing new indicators, strategies, or signals on demo first. Now, I'll just click the signal and enter the trade. No strategies, no indicators, just pure signal forecast. Promo code and link to vfxAlert signals are in the description below. All right, I keep clicking as long as I see new signals. Not even checking the heat maps, zero analysis, no plan. Just random trades to see how it goes. I've already made more than 5 trades, so let's speed this up, no time to waste. First round is done, but I'll open a few more. Let's make it at least 10. We don't want to rely on luck. We want real stats. Looks like 11 trades already. Some losses. Yeah, but don't skip. At the end, I'll show you the full trade history. Okay, last one closed. In loss. Ouch. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous to check the results. But hey, that's why we're here, right? To do an honest test of vfxAlert OTC signals. To be real, I don't usually trade OTC assets on Pocket Option. But today, let's find out if this is actually a reliable tool to make profits. Got questions? Or want me to test something else? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps me a lot. And remember, in trading, discipline is everything. All right, moment of truth. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 11 trades. Yep, 11 trades and only 2 in loss. That means accuracy is over 80%. That's crazy. Thanks for staying till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.